Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both controllers and accounts. Get them ready now. Plug in the second controller or connect wirelessly, then sign the second player into a local profile or guest account. Make sure Black Ops 6 is fully updated. Patches often fix split screen bugs. Once done, launch multiplayer or campaign depending on the mode you want. You're initiating split screen immediately. Don't navigate menus aimlessly. Go straight into the mode selection to proceed to pairing players. You'll now add the second player and configure settings so both of you play comfortably. After choosing campaign, multiplayer, or zombies, follow on-screen prompts. Have player 2 press the shown button to join. Make sure each controller is mapped correctly. Check sensitivity and button layout so no one is confused mid-match. Adjust split orientation and HUD size to balance visibility. Once configured, select the match or mission and ready both players. This prevents input conflicts and ensures stable gameplay. You're in the final step. Start the match and monitor performance. If you see input lag or one screen black, pause and repair the controllers, unplug and reconnect wired controllers or resync wireless ones. Make sure NAT is open or moderate on consoles to avoid networking handoffs. If the problem persists, clear the console cache or verify game files on PC. Reinstall only if necessary. Finally, test a different controller to rule out hardware faults. This fixes most stubborn split-screen failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.